by Shahid Afridi from Pakistan. The team on the receiving end was Sri Lanka, side also as far as runs was Atabejo Surya from Ireland's records broken by Afridi. Coming in at number 3, scoring his first run of the innings, Afridi was given free rein to help Pakistan to a big total and only hope of reaching the final. But second captain Saeed Owala possibly expected this to follow. Afridi was only out with use for 44, already smashed his second ball for a huge sense. He said something special was coming. That's another 6 for him. Now, he goes 6, it's a year in the case. Here he goes again, up in the air. Afridi hit 11 sixes, broke the world record. 6 fours, his incredible record-breaking 37 100th shot. The main feature of his innings was the incredibly clean hitting, especially straight and predominantly off the spinners. One of the main sons was Jayasuriya himself, who's come to 28 in 1 over. Buster, Buster. 5, 6 more. Has come off 18 balls, just 1 ball slower than the world record. An enormous blow, it's another 6. Well, it's not, it's 4 this time. Down the track he comes, and this is going a long way. Another 6. These are not hits. These are spun missiles. And this is another one, even bigger. Oh, mid-wicket and out the ground. Can he get it? And he's swung it away. This should be the world record. Saeed Afridi has got the fastest 100 in one-day international cricket.